فجرا جئت بعد العسر يسرا ربنا أعلاك قدرا يا إمام الأنبياء أنت في الوجدان حي أنت للعينين ضي أنت عند الحوض ري أنت هاد وصفي يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يرتوي بالحب قلبي حب خير رسل ربي من به أبصرت دربي يا شفيعي يا رسول الله أيها المختار فينا زادنا الحب حنينا جئتنا بالخير دينا يا ختام المرسلين يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك.
Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. As you all can see, this is the Diaspora Voices. Today is the first day the Diaspora Voices is going live. And the topic we'll go for talk about today is the new beginning in the diaspora. And sometimes people are whether they read this word, the new beginning, what you can their mind, they think different things, but we'll go your own way, we'll put things then in place. The new beginning of the 2020 for the Diaspora Voices. Two we do. One, we'll renovate this one old place, change the atmosphere, change the studio, bring more presenters, and things gonna change this new beginning. The new beginning, if you keep looking into the new beginning, one thing you go think about, what thing you don't do for your life, what thing are your new beginning for this 2020. For the Diaspora Voices, they will make sure say, as they don't start for the live show, change studio, bring more presenters, them guys, things gonna be very, very big. And I will tell you now for sure, the game there for big. One thing, before I go further, one thing we would like to encourage Sierra Leoneans. One, if you're able to get access to look this program, would encourage everybody back for sharing to people. And this not only this way Sierra Leone they need to do. So how you expect the diaspora voices to go able to fund themselves? This is not one of the area no one left behind at all. Because whatever we gain from here, by the grace of Allah, most of the things will go back to Sierra Leone. We will empower ourselves and we will make this platform very, very accessible, especially for the Pekin and Bako and Borneo. So sometimes if we look into this new beginning, what in you don't make, what in your resolution for this new 2020? What do you plan for your life? What do you want to let your life do for you? And this now program where we watch them, at the end of the day, you will learn something. You're going to say, yes, what the advice from your own brothers and sisters there, it make me heart calm down a little bit. So the new beginning is just a new beginning. The diaspora voices, as soon as I can see, studio renovate, everything is okay. Today, what I want to talk about a little bit about Dahwa, talk about God. The reason why I want to talk about a little bit about the day, because if I remember where I graduated, the first thing, because I graduated as a business and marketer, I remember I said, what do you mean for you go sell? What do you mean commodity to go sell? And I think about Allah, I think about his books, and people in the community where they go astray. So man, they pray and they answer. So man even not even get his for pray. So my family business not even go better. How we find solution if we not open the books of Allah? And sometimes not get time for opener, but people already open. If they come back, they able go down and try for translate them words and they for let yourself go understand, let yourself benefits. Sometimes you work and say possible can tell you, oh man, like that talk, then they even talk. Sometimes when people that appreciate us Sierra Leone, they're very, very happy. We don't see white man they do black man, they will not be do better, but now we don't begin to do to ourselves. Now we appreciate each other. Now people go sit down, go watch a program, share and to other person. First thing, Salomon don't even want to watch him copy Salomon. But then they can change slowly. And one of the things that I want to talk about today, the farewell of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Prophet Muhammad, the time we in one, you don't notice he therefore can't die. You know, some people in the way they want die, God can give them the vision, they can talk and we explain how they want the thing for being at their family. If they get money, they will explain how the money are there for share. So man go even see begin to write a will. Ain't not get anything then they. One of the things the way doing one for die, I mean get some message the way they say the farewell of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, the last farewell. Because after that year did not pass, now Prophet Muhammad died. And before he died, he left an advice for we mankind how we will rule ourselves, how we will govern ourselves, how we will operate between our community, how we will deal between we as Muslims or even other people and how we will deal to ourselves. One of the advice that we give we be say because during the day way prophets go na Makkah for make the hijrah. They say you go to a lot of people and the year where prophet declare say this year I will can't go Hajj. They say people come on everywhere. You know say people come on. People come on all angle na the Arabian. They say what in prophet they can go Makkah for go Hajj for the first time. People come on all angle for Falado, all man angle. They say even that and I send Ali for couch for 100 camel and then for let us 100 camel. Now once we reach that they tell us the prophet and then himself at least in upper hand in day you get small thing. They say them animal and they then camel and then they slaughter during the Hajj time. They say within that and they get a lot of Simon they give, but this one is very, very popular. Wherein they advise people and they call people and they say if you like a miracle up in that and day between the valleys then. And imagine if you host people like 150,000. Then tell them how many places we go occupy. They say we talk if you like the invoice the echo. Even the people who are in the caravan that they read. Big enforce all man gear in ears, all man listening to it attentively. The place become very, very silent. Because then any true prophet do all man want to sooner. So if the prophet say you want to talk, all man quiet. So all man start for listening. You beg them. Say do una day today. Una go back, una go pass this message to the other people that were not present today. And then a big message, yo. Say, do you want to day by this sermon today? We should the witness which are the talk show. Do you want to go, una pass the message back to the people that will not come? And imagine that in the over 150,000 years today, the message in the back, because he don't tell you, see, you know me, if you get this message and for pass the message to other, now the message you want pass some of the advice that we give it. Then tell them, you see where prophet they tell you, say, one of the things they tell me, they tell me, say, man get more upper hand past the woman. They say the man get more rights past the woman, but the woman gets another right back over the man. So then don't tell you, say, you as a man, if you marry the woman, imagine that the man die. Now advices when they give you, some of the advice, if you apply at your home, it will work well. For people who say sometimes they marry them, they shake. Maybe every time that you also palaver here and the man understanding all day, you and the woman, that mutual understanding all day, communication all the flow. If you listen to them advice there, now advice this way give you say woman gets in your right over a man back. So man if you say no more day because you know the man in when into a ceremony for me. Prophet say woman back get right over the man. So you as a woman, if your man don't marry you, they expect you for be work with that man as partner, support him, be very, very supportive. They say one of the advice back when later for you as a woman, they not allow you for let make a party with the man not approve of. And today, if you bring that to a context to where we style them, we live in style. For let woman go make party tell us you are not like that friendly for you, na big problem. Sometimes you the man say if the phrase for go tell you man say I don't want that party for you. Because if you see the kind of relationship, but what in the prophet may try for advice here, he try for tell people and say, you as a woman go make party but let man approve him. Try for convince him, man. Try for make la party the way they go make us party. Let me say na party. If you are Muslim, let the party back. Let me say na also in a very good party. If you are other religion, let me say that party the back at least if you know the any religion, let me say na party back. No, bad thing. Now any prophet will try for talk. They not tell you say they don't make party box. At least they convince the man. Let the man able approve that friendship day. If the man not approve, sometimes then friendship then they just do on your risks. You know they get no breasting for that. One of the problems, one of the advice back when before prophet died, he try for tell you say there is no difference between black and white. And this one, when you look at this now, white man will try for look and find a mole and they tell you say this is about equality, discrimination. That's what they tell you. But prophet don't talk and they tell you over 150 years ago, he don't tell you say white man no get power past black man no get power past black man. The only thing where they feel say this person important, now the person will be say afraid God. But nobody no pass in company. We are all the same. Either you blood na white or you blood na green. All man are the same. Black man to white man. If you be say if you get money, that man poor, we are all not the same. The only difference, na the person we afraid Allah. Then they try for tell you say discrimination. Sometimes why this dumb black man when they tell you say white man they tell you say look way dark, they feel offended. They feel offended. How they feel proud because you are dark. You know wherever you go change them. Just like the white man will ever be black. So why you want to be white? And prophet tell you say there's no difference. So why you want to worry yourself? So then they tell you say, not to today, then racist business don't start. So we as a black man, we therefore get that slogan awful years for say, oh, racism. Sometimes we therefore go above that. Let person tell you say you are dark, say thank you. Tell them thank you. And they feel shy. You know, but if we say we person tell you say you are dark and more over them country and the racists they all over the place, sometimes they can just hide them. But they exist. And prophet notice say he therefore exists in a woman, then make it advice with say black man no get right over white man no get right over black man, rich man no get right over possibly poor, possibly the see no get right over possibly blind. So we all are the same in the eyes of Allah. You know. So then they alone don't encourage you for say, if are the things that have been a racist person, I therefore put her aside because you know they make sense, make no sense. And one of the things about when prophets mean advice back during the day in sermon there, he may try to tell you about the 5 pillars of Islam. And this is bring a nice thing back when we say they try to tell you say you as a Muslim if you believe say there is no God but Allah. And they beg you for let establish his salat, for let you pray 5 times. We all know that day as a Muslim, if you're able to pray, if you're able to pray, then it means say I don't know how you will call it type then kind of Muslim today, but they encourage you for let you pray. I mean encourage people and say, Lord man pray. This is the way they can die so. Maybe what they talk here today, he might not see the next year, and indeed that year they might die. It's like he may not see therefore can die. You see, dear, whatever they talk here today, let people then go around and spread the message here. If he did, tell the boss we no do. So we say no be daily because we don't get a message and I make us they try today for pass over. The other people in back they listen on live for let them say share. So easy for you to watch, we encourage you for they like and share or even subscribe to this channel. You know, because for now Diaspora Voices in the UK. Okay, in 2 minutes time we will continue back, but for the time being, in 2 minutes time we will continue our program. As you can see today, we just talk about the farewell of the Holy Prophet and the new beginning of the Diaspora Voices. And when we talk about the new beginning of the Diaspora Voices, this is where in Badat as Sierra Leone, I would therefore put aside. If you see somebody now that's to you, let the person in the talk safe. They for like in program and share. Why? No ask, no commission, no ask, no permission for say can I share? No, just share. And most of the team they talk about, we need to do it for offend nobody because we believe say talk back. Now talk now they bring talk. If we know they talk, we know they able to find way for solve the problem. If then guys still know the person will come for can show in talent. So Monday sometimes upon talk, no you go talk, then you will make a living. So why we as Sierra Leone are not going to listen to ourselves? And the Diaspora Voices, they try for change this dynamic among the life of Sierra Leone. So dear my brothers and sisters, we're gonna come back in few minutes.
Bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car ain't one. Wheels for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wheels for sure, car leasing for every credit score. If you having credit problems, I feel bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car ain't one. Wheels for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wheels for sure, car leasing for every credit score.
Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him all day for what is and what was. Take hold of your iman, don't give in to shaitan. Oh, you who believe, please give thanks to Allah. Allahu Ghafoor, Allahu Rahim, Allahu Yuhibbul Muhsinin. هو خالقنا ورازقنا وهو على كل شيء قدير. Allah is Ghafoor, Allah is Rahim, Allah is the one who loves the Muhsinin. He is our creator, He is our sustainer, and He is the one who has power over all. Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise Him all day for what is and what was. Take hold of your iman, don't give in to shaitan. Oh, you who believe, please give thanks to Allah. Allahu Ghafoor, Allahu Rahim, Allahu Yuhibbul Muhsinin. هو خالقنا هو رازقنا وهو على كل شيء قدير. Allah is Ghafoor, Allah is Rahim, Allah is the one who loves the Muhsinin. He is our creator, He is our sustainer, and He is the one who has power over all.
If you having credit problems, I feel bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car ain't one. Wheels for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wheels for sure, car leasing for every credit score.
And if you try to talk about accountability, if you take it in a political way, and they see like people with the kind of power that they can't talk nice. As soon as you give them power, they change. Which then go become wolf. Which then go become bandit. But na so God will allow do. Na so prophet may advise we. He don't tell us so for be righteous. If somebody trusts you something, you forget back. What impossible give now if you give back? Today we try not to look the messenger, and before we get the messenger, they tell you say, dear the people who are present today at this valley, when at the valley of Arafat, dear let them pass the messenger to the people who are not come. Maybe the people who are not come, they will understand this message better. Look at we today here, over 150,000 years ago, with this farewell me don't day. Today now we pass back the messenger because at we don't make sure if you see, go to your research, go to the Google, watch. What na the last sermon of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, see and try for rectify some of the mistakes that we don't do in our life. If you know me nobody here, try for no. And they back they talk about the pillars of Islam where Prophet me hits during that farewell. They try for talk say, one, for you to declare for say as a Muslim, and two, for you to establish salat, and three, for you to give zakat, charity. But today look at your hands there, very tight. People don't even want to spend to each other. Even then at the diaspora, people don't see how white man develop the councils them. 2 or 3 people in Bukano and tell you say now we want to make this borough build houses there for the people who do not get houses, homeless. And we're not even doing that. And Prophet may not tell you say for you to give zakat. Some of them zakat, then the people that build houses and then concern. Some of you are then council houses and they will stay so. Then idea then the people who don't know nothing about Islam, that they put it into practice, that they succeed. We as a Muslim, they will do nothing. Look at it today. We really have to come together and embark on charity. Charity, good up. Imagine somebody on the 1 or 2 days you don't eat. They pull something, feed them people, and they that blessing. The way you don't pull them people, they pass shameless. Now today we see people in Sierra Leone, all man they cry, say the ground dry. The game don't big. Game don't big people, and then they even eat. Where is a new beginning? That's why if you're not possible, you say you get ideas. You get something for sale, then they encourage you. Kind of the diaspora voices. This is now one of the voices, the platform where we say it will be known to every Sierra Leonean. If you get your market, you want to market, they encourage you to come to the diaspora. Look at me here today. I'm sitting here. They give me that privilege at least to pass the word of Allah. How many of viewers we will have? How many people will benefit from this? So talk. We therefore talk no more. At least follow. See, maybe one day somebody will think of what impossible talk. Then something will happen because even the prophets. We God once and the first way I tell and say read. And read means it's about talk. We read, therefore talk what he read. So that's what we are doing here. So there he talk about the zakat and he wants back let people and go on a Makkah. Then they don't make a compulsory. If you get money, you go. If you don't get just you don't suffer. They have one a manager. So do you my brothers and sisters, just for round that up. So we now on the watch today, the topic we try for talk about the last sermon of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you miss any part of this, you can go back and Google and do more research on yourself. If you have a problem with the deen, this is the time, not the other person fully. If a person tells you something not be sure of, yourself can go and do some research and see what in the book say. And the last way Prophet talked before he go, he say they left with 2 things then. We be saying that the Quran and in Sunnah. The Quran are the words of Allah and the Sunnah and in deeds the way we don't do, in practice there. So you follow them here, God don't save you. You know you will follow it, let God make you follow the Muslim then. The one day when a Muslim them, where they don't left we go, you don't allow the big back let them come. The one day when they not carry it, where they still they think no say, yes, my brother, say maybe one day I will be a Muslim, let them worry for come because we need people there. Because God don't tell you, is a jar and nasrullah. If you got the help, don't come, well, fatu, thing go open. ورأيت الناس you will see people يدخلون دمك في دين الله inside God in religion أفواجا. That make it easy even here. The population of Muslims is great. Let God bless you now for this message. Before I go, I will just make feel wow for the viewers and I encourage you from now on. Anytime you see the Diaspora Voices is live, just like and share and subscribe. Don't be shy. Sometimes even call your family member. Say, hey, the Diaspora Voices will be live today at so time. Lord, share. Lord, be happy for see yourself. And good things will be in this studio. We'll get good presenter. The way we say they will present things and for you now, all go happy. So I will left from here. جماعة السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. اللهم ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. اللهم لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. اللهم اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمسلمين والمسلمات والمؤمنين والمؤمنات والأحياء منكم والأموات إنك قريب مجيب دعوة يا رب العالمين. سبحان ربك رب العزة وما يصفون وسلام على جميع الأنبياء والمرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Let God bless we, let God bless the Diaspora Voices, let God look after we as one nation, let God lead we in the right path.
I feel bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car rank 1. Wolves for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, oh man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wolves for sure, car leasing for every credit score. If you're having credit problems, I feel bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car rank 1. Wheels for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wheels for sure, car leasing for every credit score.
نور الله فجرا جئت بعد العسر يسرا ربنا أعلاك قدرا يا إمام الأنبياء أنت في الوجدان حي أنت للعينين ضي أنت عند الحوض ري أنت هاد وصفي يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك.
If you're having credit problems, I feel bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car rank 1. Wheels for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wheels for sure, car leasing for every credit score.